Hello and welcome to our Teach Me Forex Swing in Position weekly wrap-up session. This is Coach Eric covering the week of trading from Sunday, September 14th all the way to Saturday, September 20th, 2008 inside the Teach Me Forex Swing in Position team trade room where we like to learn, earn, and have fun all at the same time. So let's do a quick flashback on last week to start. We had a phenomenal week last week. We're really excited and proud to show off 664 big pips with an opportunity to compound your account of 42.4%. That was excellent, but nothing compared to this week. Look at this, 1,234 big pips. This is a record or a new weekly record for us. All that volatility in the market translated into some positive for us. That's what the Forex is all about. All our trades are closed and we're able to compound our account, increase our capital by up to 61.2%. Woo! Some of you must wonder how we do this. Well, we're just about to break it down in detail, but first, let me give you all a quick overview of how things are done inside the Swing in Position team trade room. We want to let you know that we always trade our two very well-defined trading strategies fully mechanically, including trade entries, mechanical stop loss, mechanical profit taken, everything mechanical, and everything's executed by our traders and students. You should also be aware that we limit our trading to 4 time frames. We like to trade the 15-minute chart, the 1-hour chart, the 4-hour chart, and the daily chart. We typically analyze these 8 currency pairs: the euro, the pound, the Swissy, the yen, the Canadian, the EJ, the Aussie, and the Kiwi. So all of our trades are taken based on one of these time frames of charts and on one of these currency pairs. One more thing I might add is that here at Teach Me Forex, in our Swing in Position team trade rooms, we never ever put at risk more than 1% of our trading capital. And we're proud of it. And the compounding percentage we like to boast about are also based on never being exposed more than 1% on any one position when we're trading. So all our signals are considered equal. That means no emotions whatsoever. Simply pure mechanical execution all the way. Alright, so let's get into our week here and have an actual review. Let's show you some details. It was, well, as again I'll say it, it's a new weekly record for us. So this big market fluctuation, this increased volatility really helped us and played on our sides. So for the week we recorded actually 20 textbook trades signals. Out of those 20 trade signals we had 13 winners and 7 losers. That's 65% accuracy. 9 buys, 11 sells. No trade off the daily chart, 2 off the 4-hour chart, 6 off the 1 hour, and the rest, the 12 out of the 15-minute chart. So each of our trades come with an entry, a stop loss, and 4 profit-taking targets. Always. So, a few highlights. Our largest win this week was the first signal we got off the pound 4-hour chart. We ended up getting 251 pips, increasing our account by 8.4%. We had a few good notables. We had 181 pips, we had a 240, we had a 167. So a few good things to feel good about. We've got our smallest win. Let's talk about this one. It was a 1 pipper on the yen 1-hour chart. And this, well, basically increased our account by just a tidbit of a percentage. Let's talk about losing, because we did that 7 times this week. So our largest loss was minus 37 pips there on the Swiss franc 1-hour chart. So we lost a percentage point with that. And our smallest win is -1 pip on the Euro 15-minute chart, and that basically didn't make us lose even a fraction of a percent. This was, excellent. So, without waiting any longer, why don't we go take a look at a couple of trades right on the charts? Follow me, please. Alright, so here is the pound 4-hour chart, 240 minutes. So here we are. So let's zoom into this a little bit and let's go back to our entry. We entered the trade right over here. That was the exact entry, was 81.23. We went as high as 25. So we had 2 pips. We used a 30 pip stop loss on this puppy. Doesn't look like much here, but this was all over 300 pips, just about 400 pips. We were up at one point. We were able to seize some profit at 77.84. So just on the bottom of this first candle, we already almost had 300 pips locked in, and the rest we lost. Took the rest of our lots off at 79.01 on this blue candlestick right here. So our total again on this trade was 251 pips, compounding factor of 8.4%. Good job, everyone. Good job. Next, let's bring our Swiss franc, our largest loss of the week. I want to share this one with you. So we're looking to sell the Swissy here this week. There. So we gained our entry over here at 111.83. So just up here, 82, there's 83. So on one of these candlesticks there. And we started with a stop loss at 112.22 there. And really, we got taken out by 6 pips. 6 pips. Our stop loss could have been bigger, but this is the deal with mechanical strategies. Sometimes they win, sometimes they don't. It's either they do or they don't. This case, they didn't. We know what would have happened. A nice run the Swissy went on after this. So this almost worked for us, and this ended up losing us 37 pips here. So that's our biggest loss of the week. Now let's bring the biggest kahuna as far as compounding. It happened on the Euro 15 minutes. Let me bring this chart. Here we go. So the Euro had started to kind of reverse and slowly turn into an uptrend. It took us a while to decide to sell. It was time to buy, but we surely did. Right over here, let's focus into here for a second. Over here, we picked this bottom right there, and you can see the ensuing price move here. So let me give you the exact digit. Our entry on here was 4279. 4279. The low was 78. We started with 10 pip stop loss, and really that's as low as we got there. We grabs our first profit at 43.91 right here. Then we went up to 44.70 to grab more profits on this candle. Then we took some profit, 45.03. Woo! Some good pippage there. And we got taken out the rest of our lots. Over there, 44.19. So, all right, we're missing a couple of candles. So 44.19 right over here. All right. So the total here, 167 pips, 60.7% compounding factor. Awesome job, everyone. It was a great week to trade indeed. So again, 1,234 pips, 61.2% compounding percentage. That's awesome. Truly truly awesome. Again, this is a record-setting week. A new record. Hopefully we'll beat it again. So, this completes the review for this week. So we want to thank you very much for joining us this time, and consider yourself invited again to join us next week for another Teach Me Forex Swing in Position weekly wrap-up session. And for more information on who we are, what we do, how we do it, any of our strategies, or perhaps how you can trade with us inside the Teach Me Forex team trade rooms, please visit www.teachmeforex.com. And finally, from the whole team at Teach Me Forex, have yourself a beautiful day.